A powerful solar flare just erupted from the sun, releasing a wave of charged particles now colliding with Earth's magnetic field. This geomagnetic storm, ranked G4, severe, is producing vivid auroras far beyond the Arctic Circle. When these solar particles spiral along magnetic lines, they excite oxygen and nitrogen in our atmosphere, creating those green and red curtains of light. It's a reminder that our connection to the sun is more than warmth. It's magnetic,